What can we expect from Stellar Crypto in 2024? This is the question on the minds of many crypto enthusiasts. As we gaze into the financial crystal ball, the current landscape of Stellar Crypto is a bit of a roller coaster. The Stellar Crypto, known to its friends as XLM, is currently under significant selling pressure. It's like a marathon runner, struggling to break through that resistance level, which is stubbornly hovering around 90 cents. Imagine a wall, a barrier that's preventing Stellar from reaching its full potential. It's an uphill battle, to say the least. To make matters worse, there seems to be a lack of buyers. Now, in the world of crypto, buyers are the lifeblood. They're the ones who drive up the price, who create demand. But right now, it seems like the crowd has thinned out. The trading volume is low, indicating a lack of interest and momentum for recovery. It's as if the party has ended and the guests are slowly trickling out, leaving Stellar to its own devices. These factors are not just standalone issues, they're symptoms of a larger problem. Stellar Crypto is currently below key moving averages. Now, moving averages are a big deal in the world of trading. They're like the heartbeat of the market, giving us a snapshot of the market's health over a certain period. And right now, the heartbeat is slower than we'd like. Stellar is also facing multiple resistance levels. Imagine trying to climb a mountain, but there are boulders blocking your path at every turn. That's what Stellar is dealing with right now. It's not just one wall, but several. So where does that leave us? Well, the overall technical outlook is bearish. In other words, it's a tough time for Stellar, but remember, the world of crypto is a world of volatility. It's a world of highs and lows. And while Stellar may be down, it's certainly not out. Stellar Crypto is currently below key moving averages and facing multiple resistance levels. The overall technical outlook is bearish. But as we all know, in the world of crypto, fortunes can change in the blink of an eye. Let's delve into some technical indicators that suggest a downtrend for Stellar Crypto. Now, when we talk about technical indicators, we're referring to various statistical tools used by crypto traders to predict probable future price movements based on historical data. Two such indicators that we're going to discuss today are the Relative Strength Index and the Moving Average Convergence Divergence. The Relative Strength Index, or RSI, is a momentum oscillator that measures the speed and change of price movements. When the RSI is below 30, that's an indication of an oversold market, which could mean a potential upward correction. Conversely, an RSI above 70 usually suggests an overbought market, which might indicate a possible downward correction. For Stellar, the RSI is currently suggesting a downtrend, indicating that the selling pressure is outweighing buying pressure. Moving on to the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. This is another momentum-based indicator that shows the relationship between two moving averages of the price. When the MACD line crosses below the signal line, it's a bearish signal which suggests it might be time to sell. Conversely, when the MACD line crosses above the signal line, it's a bullish signal indicating it might be time to buy. Right now, the MACD for Stellar is also suggesting a downtrend. Now, these indicators aren't just abstract numbers. They're reflected in the reality of Stellar's price action. We've seen the price fall in recent weeks and months, with recovery efforts facing significant challenges throughout the year. But remember, technical indicators are not crystal balls. They're tools that can help traders make informed decisions. They can provide a sense of what's likely to happen, but they can't predict the future with absolute certainty. These technical indicators paint a picture of a struggling Stellar, but what does this mean for potential investors? Understanding resistance and support levels can give us an idea of the potential future trajectory of Stellar Crypto. Let's dive into these concepts. Resistance levels are like a glass ceiling, a point that the price struggles to break through. For Stellar, the resistance levels are at $0.12 and $0.13. This means that historically, when Stellar's price reaches these points, selling pressure increases and buyers struggle to push the price any higher. On the other hand, support levels are akin to a safety net, a point that the price doesn't often drop below. In the case of Stellar, these levels are at $0.1 and $0.09. These are the points where buying pressure tends to increase and sellers struggle to push the price any lower. These levels are crucial in understanding market sentiment. If the price breaks through a resistance level, it signals that buyers are willing to pay more for the asset, and we could see the price continue to rise. Conversely, if the price falls below a support level, it signifies that sellers are willing to accept less for the asset, and we could see the price continue to fall. But remember, these levels are not set in stone. They are simply historical trends that traders use to predict future price movements. The actual future of Stellar's price will depend on a multitude of factors, including market sentiment, news events, and overall economic conditions. So, it's important to keep an eye on these levels, but also to consider them in the broader context of the market. They can provide valuable insights, but they are just one piece of the puzzle. So, with these resistance and support levels in mind, what's the forecast for Stellar? Considering the current landscape and technical indicators, what does the future hold for Stellar crypto? As we delve deeper into the world of cryptocurrencies, we find ourselves standing at the crossroads of Stellar's current predicament. The Stellar crypto, which is currently grappling with selling pressure, faces a challenging journey ahead. It's caught in a struggle to break past the resistance level, hovering around 9 cents. The lack of buyers and the low trading volume suggest a lack of interest, a lack of momentum for recovery. This is not an encouraging sign for the Stellar crypto, but it's not a death knell either. The technical outlook at present is rather bearish. Stellar is positioned below key moving averages and is up against multiple resistance levels. These indicators don't inspire much optimism and point towards a continued downtrend. However, in the cryptoverse, trends can change as swiftly as a gust of wind. When we talk about support and resistance levels, we're essentially discussing the price points that Stellar has trouble moving beyond. Currently, these stand at 10 and 9 cents respectively for support and 12 and 13 cents for resistance. These levels are like invisible walls that the Stellar crypto needs to break through or stay above to change its course. But what does this all mean for potential investors? Well, it's vital to keep an eye on these indicators. They provide a roadmap of sorts, helping investors navigate the often turbulent waters of cryptocurrency investments. Remember, the crypto market is volatile and unpredictable, but these indicators give us a semblance of predictability, a glimpse into possible future trends. In the world of crypto, forecasting is never certain, but understanding the indicators can help us make informed decisions. Stay tuned for more updates on Stellar and other cryptocurrencies.